Hey guys, another cooking video. So today I'm just gonna show you how to cook a Hempseeds burger. This is going to be vegetarian again because our family is a big fan of vegetarian food. So what I have here, I'm going to show you the ingredient I'm using today. So here I got, hope you can see that. Here I got hemp seed, 2 cups of hemp seed, and I got 2 cups of mixed grated vegetable here. So I got spinach, carrots, parsnip, and that's it. There's 3 vegetables. You can use any vegetable you like actually. And then I got half a cup of sweet potato flour, half a cup of tapioca flour, and 2 tablespoons of chia seed flour, and I got 2 teaspoons of ginger powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Coriander leaves, actually this one is dry leaves, and this is the coriander powder. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of that, and 2 teaspoons of black cumin seed. Then we're gonna add a little bit of warm water in our mixture, and then I got Himalayan salt here, olive oil, 2 tablespoons that I use. This is the only ingredient in this hemp seed burger. Okay, so I'm going to start doing it. Gonna use this big bowl. Put in this big bowl golden hemp seeds, 1 cup. So by doing these 2 cups, we'll get about 8 burgers that we're making, and then put vegetable in there. Yeah, just put everything basically inside this bowl. And yeah, I'm going to put this on YouTube anyway. I just have that YouTube channel specifically for my cooking, and all the recipes is anti-inflammatory diet. It helps you with your if you have chronic condition like me, autoimmune condition, it's good for you. This recipe basically, it just like all the goodness in this recipe, and that's the ginger powder in. Then gonna add this coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, and the black cumin seed, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. Then I'm gonna add some salt. Yeah, go in there. And 2 teaspoons. If you don't like too salty food, just put 1 teaspoon. It's up to you what you prefer. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil in there. That's 1. That's 2. Got it. And then add some water. These are water's warm, warm water just to make the mixing of the ingredient together much easier. So what I use is tablespoon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna use 5 and see how it goes. So I'm just gonna wear gloves to mix this, otherwise it will stick to my hand and I don't like that sticky feeling. So what I do, I just mix with my hands like that. So we'll mix this ingredient together very well. Just gonna add a little bit more water, it's too dry. So this I just show that about 3/4 of water in this cup. Okay, that's the portion. I just pour in about 2/3 and it seems good. Yeah, you guys just gonna use your instinct that it shouldn't be so wet, otherwise it's difficult to form and your burger will not come out firm. So this is what yep, I think that's enough water. I'm just gonna go ahead and put another gloves in my other hand so that I can make into the burger shape. So mix like that. So that's I think that's about it. That's mixed good enough. And what I'll do, I just form that into balls like this. Okay. And then flatten it. Okay, that's how it looks. So these days we're gonna make about 8 burgers. And what I'll do, I'm just gonna go ahead and heat up my pan here. I got a head here. So I'll go heat up my pan. I prefer to use non-stick pan. If you have iron skillet, it's even better. So I'll just sprinkle a little bit of oil there and just swirl that around, just to make sure that the pan is coated so that it doesn't stick. And I'm just gonna go ahead and place that in. So I'll do that one by one. The light is supposed to be on. So that's, yeah, it's my first time to share with everybody. So that's what I just form like that. It's pretty easy to make anyway. Grated vegetable, you just use the fruit processor, and you don't need whole lots of vegetable, just 2 cups. But if you want to make for for the week you working, you can make them and then just pan fry a little bit and then freeze them in your freezer. And once you want to have just like normal burger, you just bring them out and heat them up, and there you go. One piece is sticking out, so that's stop it from sticking together, so I'll just pull that out. Place that in. There you go. That is. Yeah, I can't make perfect shape of round, but if you have cookie cutter or you have like a thin like mold, you can use that. See the turning go. The cooking time is just like if you do it once, I think it will take about 5 minutes to cook each of them. So if you do batch, you just get 4 in 5 minutes. You can also bake them, just make whole lots and then bake them. But yeah, I'm just showing you quickly how I do this. So actually these 2 are ready that I just cook. The first 2. I'm just gonna go ahead and put into my salad plate that I already prepared. My salad plate. That's going to be my lunch. This is pea sprout. Yeah, I can't eat fresh pea, but I can eat the pea sprout because body just can't digest that. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and place my burger there. So, and you can place your salad in between like that. You can add sauce. And I got my homemade sauce. I got my homemade sauce that I made from almond and from coconut yogurt, organic coconut yogurt. So that's what I made by myself. And I'm just gonna 1 teaspoon in the middle. Just put that on. There. You can add as much as you like. So in this sauce as well, it's homemade. So it's got ginger, almonds, raw soaked almond, and organic yogurt, salt, pepper, the things that I can eat. So, and then I'll put 1 piece on the top. And that's the plate is ready for lunch. There we go. Hope that looks good. See, that's yeah, I can guarantee this is really good. This is yummy. You should try. That's it. That's the recipe I invented, and it's gonna go on YouTube and share with all of you. Hope you like it, guys. Thanks for watching.